Hello everyone, this is Shida and welcome to 5am English Loop, the space where we take your English from ordinary to extraordinary. Now let me ask you something. How many times a day do you use the words good or nice? Quite often, right? But here's the truth. Those words are overused, weak, and they don't truly capture the power of what you are trying to say. If you really want to stand out, whether in your workplace, your writing, or your daily conversations, you need stronger, sharper, and more impressive adjectives. Today, I will walk you through a list of advanced words that will help you replace good and nice with expressions that are impactful, elegant, and unforgettable. So let's begin. The first example is efficient. She's an efficient worker who gets things done on time. We could say like that. It means performing tasks in the best possible way with minimal waste of time or effort. Another example, the efficient manager completed the project ahead of schedule. Next one is reliable, meaning consistently good in quality or performance. Dependable. For example, she is a reliable colleague who never misses a deadline. Competitive, meaning as good as or better than others, able to compete effectively. For example, his prices are very competitive compared to other shops. Impressive, meaning evoking admiration due to quality, skill, or size. For example, the chef prepared an impressive five-course meal. Excellent, extremely good, or outstanding. Example, she gave an excellent presentation to the board. Outstanding, exceptionally good, standing above others. His outstanding performance earned him an award. The next word is remarkable, worthy of attention, extraordinary. Example, the artist has a remarkable sense of color and detail. Admirable, meaning deserving respect or approval. For example, her admirable courage inspired the entire team. Exceptional, meaning unusually excellent or superior. Example, his exceptional skills make him the best in the company. Superb, meaning of the highest quality. The restaurant offers superb French cuisine. Splendid, magnificent, and very impressive. The view from the mountain was absolutely splendid. Marvelous, meaning causing great wonder, extraordinary. It's marvelous how technology connects the world. Phenomenal, very remarkable, or extraordinary. For example, the athlete's performance was phenomenal. Incredible, meaning hard to believe because of excellence or amazement. For example, she baked an incredible cake for the party. Magnificent. It means grand, beautiful, or impressive. For example, the palace has a magnificent architecture. Extraordinary, meaning very unusual or remarkable. For example, he has an extraordinary talent for storytelling. Terrific. It means extremely good or excellent. For example, that was a terrific movie. Brilliant, meaning exceptionally clever or talented. Example, she came up with a brilliant marketing strategy. Fabulous, meaning extraordinary or wonderful. For example, we had a fabulous time at the beach. Spectacular, meaning beautiful in a dramatic or eye catching way. For example, the fireworks show was spectacular. Exquisite, meaning extremely beautiful and delicate. For example, she wore an exquisite diamond necklace. Glorious, having great beauty or splendor. For example, it was a glorious morning with sunshine. Pristine, in its original or unspoiled condition. For example, the island's beaches were pristine and untouched. The next word is radiant, meaning shining brightly or filled with joy. For example, she looked radiant in her wedding dress. Impeccable, meaning flawless or faultless. Like his impeccable manners impressed everyone at the dinner. So, the next time you feel tempted to say something just good or nice, pause for a moment, choose a word from this list, and make your English sparkle with precision, confidence, and power. Remember, words are not just tools, they are opportunities to make an impression. And when you use words like exquisite, remarkable, or phenomenal, you don't just communicate, you inspire. Keep practicing, keep upgrading, and soon your English will not just be good, will be outstanding. Thanks for watching. This is 5am English Loop, and together we will keep looping towards excellence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering lessons. Until next time, stay radiant, stay remarkable, and stay brilliant. Thanks a lot.